The reason I came in is because I needed a lot of help. I could hardly walk. My knees were giving me a lot of problems to the point that I exhausted everything that I could do. My knees were very unstable. I was afraid to fall all the time. I couldn't step up, never mind going up a stairs. I was very limited on everything that I did because I didn't feel like doing anything. Everything I did, it was painful, and no hope. So what do? I don't want to go get injections. At my age, forget about surgery. That's a no-no. So either was come in here or put in my mind that I was going to be in a wheelchair pretty soon if I didn't take care of it. I've been to other chiropractors before, and but they don't have what they have here to make you feel better. Treatments are different. The decompression table for my back and my neck. I needed the decompression to make spaces in my vertebrae because they were all bunched together. My back feels great, and I know that helps with my neck and my knees. Everything's connected to there, all the nerves and everything. So as my back gets better, the way I walk is getting better, and I feel stronger. I can sometimes, without help, go up a couple of stairs and down. So before, that was out of the question. I was very well treated here. Everybody's friendly, everybody cares, genuinely cares. Not because, I'm another face or person in here. And no, they really do care, and they really want to get you well. You're not gonna find anybody that does what he does. Very different. It all makes sense. It just makes sense to you what he does. It's gonna work because that's the way the body functions. So he has given me the hope not to be in a wheelchair, and the hope to be whole and free to do the things a normal person will do daily.